All right, sound check. Here we go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. We are live. Can I get a sound check? Can you let me know if the sound's okay? Sound check, sound check. Can you see me? Sound check. Can you guys hear me? I guess not. No audio. Okay. All right. Why there's no audio? Yes, no audio or audio's good. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right. All right, everyone. Okay, here we are. So, if you are new, all right, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. If you guys are new to CL, I'm just going to do a little overview here because the market just did a huge move. So, CL is light sweet crude. That is, there's lots of oil products that you could trade, but CL is the one that goes in your car that you pump at the gas station. That is CL. So it's there are different types of oil that come out of the ground. Some are thicker, some are lighter. The one that they use for gasoline is called light sweet crude, and that is the one that most of the world trades, and that's traded out of New York on the cash pit, and then it goes to CME on the overnight in the Globex. Okay, so that is CL. If you have an account, if you are on a evaluation, or if you're funded, or if your account is under $10,000, I suggest you trading MCL, which is the micro CL. On funded accounts and evaluation, if it's under $100,000, I'll also suggest you going with the micro. Okay, so each tick is $10. So one whole point, when it goes from 91 to 92, that is one whole dollar. But in the trading is every tick in between. So it's 91.1, 91.2, and each tick is 10 bucks. So a whole point is 100. Okay. All right. So I'm already positive here. Where did I take a trade? I took a trade. I thought I was going to get killed for a second. From right here, I took a short. Is that it? I took a short and I went for a gap closure. And then I took a long and I got stopped out. And the market is just trying to close the gap from Tuesday. And it's almost closed. The gap will be closed. It's right here. Let's do the gap closure here. So from here to 45 is a gap closure. Okay, I was going for the gap closure of yesterday, and I went short. Oh no, I went short all the way up here. I'm sorry, I went short all the way up here. I went short all the way up here. That's where I went short. I went short there, and I covered it. It was 87, I believe. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. All right. So sometimes the gap does close. You need to watch your order flow. You need to watch your volume to see how well of a job is doing as far as trying to close the gap. On Wednesday, I got killed because I thought that it faked me out that I was going to go and close the gap, and it never did, and I got killed. But I was able to make my money back. But yeah, it was I had to go for a long walk after that because actually it did a $3.25 move up. So now we have a new high of the year, and that is 95. What is it? 95 something. But the high was done on the overnight, not on the cash pit. So 95.05, but that counts on the daily. So if you look at a daily candle, you'll see that the high is 95.03. It's 05. I think it's 05. All right. Okay. So full disclosure, I'm just showing a candlestick chart here, but I trade off of Renko, but it seems like most people trade off candles, so I'm just gonna go and stream with a chart showing candlestick. But I look for my trades. It's usually either a 9 Renko, a 6 Renko, or a 3 Renko. I place my trades off of a 3 Renko. Okay, so this is not the actual chart that I'm trading off. This is just reflecting my trades. All right. Yeah, I got nothing to hide. I'll tell you guys everything, how I trade, what I look for. So if you don't know, I'm gonna be doing. I decided to end my full-blown streaming at $150. Just, that's not why I started doing this, to make it into a full-flown business. But my time is valuable, so I'm starting a new streaming service that I'm only going to charge $30. Okay, so it's going to be 1 hour of trading, $30. It's going to be CL only, because CL, it's where it's at now. There's less robots. All right, enough talking. Let's do some trading here. Okay. All right, so we still have. So anytime you take a trade, you have to make sure that you have a target. If you don't have a target, don't take a trade. Don't just, I feel like it's going down. You feel like it's going down where? Where is it going to go? Okay, so my target is 90.45 or 92.50. So crude doesn't, a lot of times it will stop before the target. Okay, buyers are just parked and they stop it. So you can't completely rely on a target. So sometimes you got to be a little early. So are we done? The new low is 90.58. So are we done? I don't know. So we need to go. Thank you. So we need to look and see how the market is. How is it flowing? How hard of a time is it having trying to go for a new low? So right here, obviously, we do have a zone here that there's a lot of support, right? A lot of support here. All right, is this my ray? All right, that's my ray. Okay, so there could be a long opportunity at 90, anywhere between where we are now and 90.65. We could do maybe a wave 3 up. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 up. So I'm not in a huge hurry because I'm already up. I'm up $1,500. I was up 1,800 and then I took a long and it just shot me. What's up, Irvin? How are you, buddy? Nice seeing you here. All right. So Crude is more volatile than the ES, but because it's more volatile, it will provide you more opportunities. All right, looks like we just had a sell spike on Bookmap. Sometimes that means that we may go even lower. And there it is. So I'm doing a ATM strategy of 3 contracts. I clear one at 5 ticks, one at 10, and then I have a runner at 20. We may be doing the wave 2. I mean wave 3 up. But in a smaller time frame, this could be a wave 4 and then 5 to go all the way to our target. So inside of here, let's see if it shows with a 1 minute. Yeah, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, either a new low or a double bottom. That's on a smaller time frame. Oh, I lost my I'm gonna make a new one here. So we may get along here, but I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. Because they could be trapping longs, right? They could be acting like, okay, we're done here. We're going up. We could do a IB low. So crude opens up in my time. I guess New York time is 9 till 10 is the IB. So it's half hour between, it's half hour before the ES. But if you're not an advanced trader, I suggest not trading the opening, not trading the IB, because sometimes it's tricky because it will only move for the first 10, 15 minutes, and then it will wait for the ES, the NQ. All right, we could have a trade here. All right, I'm going to take a short. Let's see if we could do a wave 5 here. Let's see if we could do a wave 5. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Start moving. Okay, so if it's a perfect world, my target is 39, but I'm just gonna go for all right. So first target is filled, so half of my risk is already off. So I already made 50 bucks in this. So stops, I'm going for, there it is, from 79 to 80. So it's a 10-point stop. 10-point stop. But I'm going to give myself a little more room here. A little more room. So now I'm risking 220. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Hit it. Yes! Woohoo! All right, so I picked up already 10 ticks. All right, so now I'm looking for a new low. New low. Go, 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 go! Right, I'm not gonna be greedy here. It may bounce off at 50. I'm gonna go for my first target. So I have, again, two targets. First one is 52. Then second one is 45. All right, now I'm going to start reducing my risk. I'm going to lower. Come on, baby. All right, iceberg waiting to get filled at 61. Right. 70 needs to hold this market. 70 needs to hold. Okay, as long as that iceberg is there, I'm still feeling comfortable. But sometimes the iceberg is just a trick. It's just smoke. Smoke and mirrors. So you can't count on a parked iceberg. I mean, it's showing liquidity, right? It's showing that someone is interested in getting his orders filled, but it could start a momentum. So you have whoever is on a trade now, a bank, a hedge fund, has to be careful, because it could be a buy iceberg, but it could create momentum and the market goes even further down. All right, I'm already up 130. If I get it now, I'm back to my 1800. Here, I don't want you guys to think that I'm bullshitting here. Let's see if I could, I need to hide my account, hold on. All right, I hope I'm doing this right. All right, let's see if this shows. Oh, all right, there it is. So I'm already up 1800. Don't you guys think that I'm bullshitting? All right, there we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Right, that ice. Ooh, oh. Absorption buy and a sell stop run. All right. Not liking this. But also a sell sweep. So decision point here. Either I lower my stop, or I take a risk here. So either I leave it where it's at or I move it to 75. I'm going to go ahead and move it to 75. This may take me out. You know what? I'm going to stay. I'm going to stay. Let's see how it reacts here at 70. So it did a very weak new low, one tick. So that's not good. Yep, it may be turning on me here. All right, I may add another contract here. All right, I'm going to go for it. Come on, baby. Come on. And I'm going to go and split. All right, so yesterday's low is at 83. Okay, so I'm going to use 83 as a barrier. Okay, that is my resistance, is 83. Ah, it's turning on me. All right, iceberg. Oh, it just ate right through. All right, looks like it's good. I'm gonna move it one more tick just for good measures, but it looks like it. Yeah, the clue was that weak low. But the trade is still not officially. This trade is not dead, because my official target on the trade as far as Elliot wave is 90.39. So it just did an ABC. Right, it looks like my barrier may be holding. And if we can get under, I'm going to add another one. Oof, already filled. Sell sweep and a sell spike on that move down, which filled me. All right, since now I'm short 3, I'm just going to go and get out at 59. That will give me 390 bucks. Oh, there's a big fight going on here. Yes, I'll be trading live Monday through Friday on my new streaming service that will start on Monday. It will be $29.95. I'm going to teach you guys everything that I know about crude and trading, obviously. Oh. All right, it's turning on me here. 82. What's up, Kraft? What's up, buddy? What's going on? Yes, I do. If you're new to my channel, I've been streaming for going on 3 years, 4 years. All right, come on, baby. Go, go, go. Here we go. Here we go. So we got a hot knife right through this right here. Oh, here come buyers. All right, I may be in trouble here. All right, I may have to rethink this. I may have to... Right, we may... If it doesn't happen now, it's going to take me out. We're getting a delta reversal here. Needs to turn around now. There we go. Go, 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 go. Ah, they bought again. All right, I'm gonna join this, and if it doesn't happen, I am just gonna lower my stop and get out. Come on. Oh, it might be too late here. There was a buy spike. Come on, sellers. All right, so how good of a job is it doing trying to make a new low here? It's struggling, right? So these are the things that we have to look for. It's struggling. It could be a fake out, but it did a poor new low, one tick. Come on, sellers, get in there. Come on, hit that ass. Go, go, go. So my exit is above my target. Just in case. Oh. All right, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Yep. Delta is turning on me. Delta is turning on me. I may be still right here, but I'm seeing a lot of buyers come in. So, all right. Wasn't bad. I made a, what was it? 340. Right, so I'm not going to do anything until I see the market get above yesterday's low right here. Or, yeah, it's still, or I want to see it. So now I'm only looking for longs, even though the short may happen. So I'm either looking for a long at 52 or a long at 45. Ah, and here's my trade. Ah, bummer. I got scared out of my own trade. They fooled me. Yeah. They fooled me in the delta. Bummer. All right. Yep, I got fooled. All right. Well, at least I feel good that I was right on the short. My target was good. So if you don't know crude, do not take live trades. Okay? Learn the instrument. See it move. You got to put screen time. You can't just take, if the first time seeing crude, or if you haven't traded crude in a while, you got to put screen time in. You got to learn how it moves. It's all about the rhythm and flow. And there it is. Yeah. Okay, so again, looking for long either at 52. No blind trades. Not gonna park anything there because sometimes they'll just run right through. So another tip here. Usually it will either be positive anywhere between I would say $1.25 and about $1.70. That's the RTH. The ETH is about 250. So right now we are negative $1.20. Yeah, and there it is. So it was a good trade. All right. Yes, I'm using Renko. I'm just streaming a candle. I'm using Renko 3, Renko 6, and Renko 9. Right, so the gap is almost closed. We still have 10 ticks. It may be done. A lot of icebergs, a lot of volume is trading right here in this area here. A lot of volume. There's a lot of parked orders at 90.40. There's about 131 orders waiting. So parked orders, it shows liquidity, but what really moves the market is market orders. Nice seeing you too. So what moves the market is market orders that go and hit the bid and they ask. That what moves. Limit orders, that will not make a market move, but it's showing that there's people that are interested in either exiting, clearing, or entering at 90.40. But it could also be that they are saying, look, if you come down here, I'm going to buy more. So we are the ones that have to interpret, what we are seeing. Yeah, so if you want to use Renko, each market is a different Renko. If you guys recall, on ES, I was using 4, using 7. I was also using 12, 24. Now, these are my own preference, You could use whatever. But all right, now I'm just going to be looking for scalps. I'm not going to be looking for any big moves. We may just go back into value, right? We almost closed the gap, made a new low, a poor new low, and now the market may want to go back to value. All right, or it may want to go and challenge the mid. But the mid's all the way up. So we may see a challenge of initial balance low. And here comes the buyers. So the clue might be that poor new low. So there may be another short scalp. I'm not taking it, but there may be a scalp at 82. All right, a lot of buying. All right, so I was right on the delta. It was doing, it had a little pullback here, but they had initiating a buy program on the delta. And that is what this move here is, all delta buying. All right, so let's see how well they do a job of holding this 83 here, which is yesterday's low. Looks like they're not doing a good job. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. That is not yesterday's low. That is an overnight low of Tuesday. But it was still either support or resistance. Yeah, look at that move up. Woof. Beautiful, huh? 40 points, 42 points and going. That's $400 with one contract. See, and these are the opportunities that I'm talking about. I mean, it was struggling to make a new low. So I don't want to give back any of my profits. That's why I didn't do anything. But this was a logical long right here. Struggling. All of this. So if you're a candle trader, you should know that this is all buying pressure, right? Because the wick is underneath. So all buying pressure. It tried to make a new low. Buyers came in, closed the candle. Buyers came in, closed the candle. Again. All buying pressure. But here in this area, we have selling pressure, right? So this is decision point here. This should dictate at least the next half hour. So we're either going to go and hit that 45 and close the gap from Tuesday, or we're going to go and challenge IB low, which is at 91.25. All right, we just got an absorption here. So very unique opening. The overnight market was positive in the delta, and then as soon as the market opened, it went negative. And now it looks like they may want to go at least back to neutral, but I do not think that it will go back to positive. All right, 100 lot iceberg just hit right after the absorption. So we may see a pullback here to 80. Let's see if it has another 10 points here, or at least to 85. I mean 83. So I'm not going to take it, but there could be a long here at 83. I'm just not seeing enough information that I would want to take a blind trade. Well, let's see if it has another 5 points here on a short. All right, there's some news out of Brazil talking about the nation's oil company. Let's see if it affects the market at all. So crude is weird. Certain things, some news affected, some don't. Inventory definitely affects crude. So you have to go and look at your calendar, report calendar, and you don't want to be taking trades when there's an oil inventory report coming out. FOMC doesn't really move the market as much. All right, here we go. Here we go. There could be an opportunity here, guys. All right, I'm gonna go for a scalp here. I'm gonna go for a scalp. Just $150. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Give myself a little more risk here. Boom! There it is. And buy stop. It's probably going to go up now. Yeah, I think I got that scalp at the right time. So I'm almost up $2,000 before commissions. Oh. All right, guys. I may be losing. That is... What the hell is going on? I haven't heard this in a while. Man, this only happens when I stream. All right. I think I'm losing. I think I'm losing power here, guys. Oh, man. All right. If I lose you guys, I'll just relog. But it looks like I may be losing. Oh, shit. All right. I think I'm overloaded here. All right. I'll just relog back in, but